Handle here changes the speed, and all the speeds are here with the indicator here. So very easy to change, very quick. Handle is very easy to adjust. The tool rest, just push it to the side. It allows you to move the tool rest up and down. Rather difficult to do with one hand. But simply moving this handle to the left loosens the tool stock, and moving it back to the right tightens it into place. Revolving center here has a large ball turning attachment on the left hand side.